Nike ISPA Link Axis. Now, I think they only made one of these in one colorway, and it's a Link shoe. And if you don't know what Link is, the Link shoes are the modular shoes that ISPA created with Nike. One of my favorite design houses over there on the Nike campus. They do a lot of creative stuff, but a lot of their newer stuff has been a little off the wall and has been sitting on shelves. This one probably wouldn't have sat because it's so unique. It's like the Road Warrior in a sense, where they put so much of this technology into it, and it made something beautiful and cool, but the price point was just way off. So the Road Warrior, very limited, 5,000 pairs each, I think, and they sold out at $500 a pop, and they resell now for upwards of $1,000. I got both pairs. I sold one pair. I sold the original pair. What colorway was it? The sale colorway, and got two racks for it. I only paid $700 for them, so I had to let them go. And then I ended up buying another pair off of somebody in Japan on eBay for about $950 after all the fees and stuff, about a little under $1,100. Well worth. I'm keeping these, but we're talking about the Link now, not 2020 sneaker of the year, but ISP Link Axis. It is a unique shoe, modular, but with a big fat air bubble. Probably the most Nike Air in a Nike shoe ever. Right up there with probably maybe the Scorpion has more air. I don't know, but dope shoe. I love it, and I really want to get a pair. But at $300, no. I have a bid on StockX and on Goat for $200 for it, and whichever one comes in first will come in first, and that's that.